Hey there, auto repair shop owners. I have some big news for you. We are about to launch our service advisor training for auto repair shop owners. And this is going to be an online training and we're holding it in a couple of weeks. But what we're doing is we're releasing to you a wait list so that you can jump on with your registration details so that you are the first to know when we launch the live training. Now, the reason for doing this is because we only have 100 seats available for the online training. So you need to be able to jump on it as soon as it's live, and those on the wait list will get that information first. Now, why would you want to come to service advisor training for owners? Because it's actually critical that auto repair shop owners understand the role of service advisor, what it's supposed to look like, what it's supposed to do for your business and for your customers, and what it's supposed to do for your profit before you put your service advisors in training for upskilling. And we'll be bringing that to you a bit later in the year as well. So there's a link here with this video. Make sure you click it, register your details to go on the wait list, and then next week when we release the live training date, which is going to be in early April, you'll be the first to know and you can jump on it straight away.